Have you ever wondered if you're shaping your reality or if it's shaping you? Life is a collection of moments, each one a result of choices we make, and these choices, no matter how minute, have a profound impact on our reality. Think of it as a prism, each facet shaped by a decision we've made, each one refracting our life's light in a unique way. Consider the smallest of decisions, like what you choose to eat for breakfast or the route you take to work. They may seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things, but they are the building blocks of your day, your week, your month, and eventually, your life. Each choice, each action, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your existence. Now, imagine the larger decisions, the ones that keep you up at night, choosing a career path, deciding to pursue a passion, or committing to a relationship. These are not just decisions, they are direction setters. They are the crossroads that determine the course of your life. And you, my friend, are the navigator. The power of choice is not a burden, but a gift. It is the steering wheel in the vehicle of our lives. It gives us control, it gives us power, it gives us the ability to shape our destinies. Our choices can lead us down a path of clarity and spiritual alignment, or they can plunge us into confusion and chaos. It's not the universe making these decisions for us, it's us, choosing our paths, shaping our realities one choice at a time. The power of choice is within us. It's a tool, a weapon, a guiding light. It's the architect of our realities, the author of our stories. It's the difference between being swept away by the currents of life or steering our own ship through the storm. Your reality is a product of your choices, and it's shifting with every decision you make. So I ask you again, are you shaping your reality, or is it shaping you? Are you aware of the shifts happening around you, or are you too distracted to notice? In these fast-paced times, it's so easy to get caught up in the daily hustle and bustle of life. The constant barrage of notifications, news updates, and social media feeds can make it challenging to take a moment to breathe, let alone notice the subtle shifts in our reality. Yet these shifts are happening right under our noses, reshaping the very fabric of our existence. The split in reality isn't a loud, disruptive event. It's not a cataclysmic explosion or a sudden, shocking revelation. Instead, it's a subtle, gradual change, like the turning of the seasons or the ebb and flow of the tides. It's happening every moment of every day, but many of us are oblivious to these changes. We're so entangled in our fears and distractions that we miss the signs of this critical transformation. We overlook the minute changes in our thoughts, feelings, and experiences that signal a shift in our reality. We ignore the whisperings of our intuition, the nudges of our spirit, and the stirrings of our soul. Yet recognizing these changes is pivotal for our spiritual growth. It's like tuning into a radio frequency. Once you're tuned in, you begin to pick up signals that you were previously unaware of. You start noticing synchronicities, patterns, and shifts in your reality that were always there, but went unnoticed. This awareness isn't about escaping from the world or renouncing your responsibilities. Instead, it's about becoming more present, more attentive, and more conscious in your day-to-day life. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and actions with a keen eye, discerning the subtle shifts within and around you. Remember, the split in reality isn't something happening out there. It's happening within you, in your heart and mind. It's a shift in your perception, your beliefs, and your experiences. The signs of change are all around you. Don't let distractions blind you. It's time to awaken to the shift, to align with clarity and growth over confusion and chaos. It's time to choose your reality consciously and intentionally. Your spiritual journey depends on it. Did you know that heightened emotions signal a critical moment where clarity and chaos diverge? This is a potent truth that many of us overlook. You see, our emotional energy is a powerful force. It's like an invisible compass, pointing us towards either clarity or chaos. Every feeling you experience, every emotion that stirs in you, carries its own unique energy. And this energy, believe it or not, guides us along our journey through life. Think of your emotions as the tide, ebbing and flowing, sometimes calm, other times stormy. This tide can either gently guide your boat towards clarity or push you towards the rocky shores of chaos. It's all about how you understand and navigate these emotional waves. When we experience heightened emotions, it's like standing at a crossroads. One path leads to clarity, the other to chaos. These are the moments when your emotional energy vibrates at its highest, when it's most powerful. It's during these times that we must pay extra attention to the direction of our emotional compass. Imagine you're feeling intense anger or frustration. This is a signal, a beacon, illuminating a moment of divergence. The choices you make in these moments, how you channel this emotional energy, can lead you towards chaos or clarity. You could let the anger control you, leading to chaos and confusion. Or you could recognize the anger, understand its roots, and use it as a catalyst for positive change, steering you towards clarity and growth. Recognizing these moments is like being given a map and a compass in the middle of a labyrinth. The heightened emotional energy is the map, showing you where you are. Your response to these emotions is the compass, guiding you towards your chosen reality. To navigate these crossroads effectively, we must cultivate emotional intelligence. We must learn to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions. This is not about suppressing or ignoring our feelings. It's about harnessing our emotional energy, using it as a tool for self-awareness and growth. Your emotions are not just feelings, they are guideposts to your reality. So the next time you find yourself in the throes of heightened emotions, remember this: pause, breathe, and listen to what your emotional energy is telling you. It could be the key to unlocking the door to clarity and steering away from chaos. Are you part of the global shift, or are you standing still? Imagine a world where every individual is not an island, but a piece of a larger continent. The shift we are experiencing is not confined to individual souls. It's a collective awakening, a global paradigm shift. Picture a prismatic reality where every facet reflects not just one person's transformation, but the evolution of a collective consciousness. More and more individuals are waking up to this reality, recognizing the need for change and connection. It's akin to a spiritual domino effect. One person's awakening triggers the next, and that person's change in turn ripples out, touching many others. This cascade of awareness is sweeping across the globe, breaking down old paradigms and birthing new possibilities. But what does this mean, a collective awakening? It's the realization that we are all interconnected, that our personal choices have a ripple effect on the collective whole. It's the understanding that our individual well-being is intrinsically linked to the well-being of all. This collective awakening is not about losing our individuality. Rather, it's about recognizing our shared humanity, our shared dreams, and our shared struggles. It's about realizing that we are not alone in our journey towards growth and enlightenment. This shift is not just about personal growth. It's about the collective evolution of humanity. It's about creating a world where compassion, understanding, and unity replace division and discord. And while this paradigm shift is global, it begins at the individual level, with each of us, with our choices, with our awareness, with our actions. Are you feeling the call to be part of something bigger, the call to contribute to this collective awakening? Remember, this shift is not about being swept along by the current. It's about choosing to swim, to actively participate in the creation of this new reality. Your choices, your actions, your voice, they all matter. The collective awakening is here, and it's happening now. This shift is bigger than you. It's a global phenomenon. Is your awakening a grand epiphany, or is it happening in quiet moments of reflection? Imagine a pond. The surface is calm, unbroken. Then a pebble drops into the water. Ripples spread out, growing wider, reaching further. This is your awakening. It's not a sudden, earth-shattering event, but a series of small, subtle shifts that change the landscape of your life. Each ripple is a moment of reflection, a choice, an action. And each ripple, no matter how small, influences the whole. Your spiritual awakening is a journey that unfolds gradually. It's not a race. It doesn't happen overnight, and there's no finish line. It's a process that requires patience, mindfulness, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. It's in the quiet moments of reflection that you truly connect with your inner self and start aligning with the higher frequencies of love, peace, and clarity. Now let's consider your reality. It's not a fixed, unchanging construct. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving reflection of your choices, your thoughts, your actions. It's like a mirror that shows you not just who you are, but who you can become. If you're not happy with what you see, it's within your power to change it. It's within your power to shift your reality towards one of clarity and spiritual alignment. But how do you do that? You start by paying attention. Notice the changes in your life, no matter how small. Recognize the patterns, the recurring themes. These are signs guiding you towards your true path. They are the ripples in your pond, the markers on your journey of awakening. Remember, every decision you make, every thought you have, every action you take is creating your reality. It's shaping your future. It's defining your journey. And it's in your hands to ensure that this journey leads you towards growth, towards clarity, towards spiritual alignment. Your awakening is not a single event, it's a process, and your reality is a reflection of your journey.